Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. People, this is the Mani by Me box from March of 2020. Let's do this thing. And let's open her up. We got a receipt. Let's take that out of there. Here we have some cards that we will have a look at. Here's our bundle of goodies and the box is empty, so let's toss it aside. So we have our Mani by Me. This is just a description. I am not, you can pause if you want, but I'm not going to read because I like to be surprised. And oh yes, I do know a little bit about this one. It has to do with reading, doesn't it? Books or something? Anyway, Happily Ever After is the tutorial card, and I will be doing this tutorial card probably in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that one. I will let you have a look at, yeah, it's book stuff, right? New chapter in your nail art adventure with March's stamping tutorial. And then if you would like to pause, you're welcome to check out the tutorial here. It looks like we've got a little bit of reverse stamping. Okay, very cute. That looks like a simple one, yet a good one. Let's see what we got. I don't remember. What's that? Okay, what's this? Is this foil glue? Oh, it's got, okay. All right, well, clearly I'm gonna start with the extra gift. Oh, and this is a new sticker for me. One stamp at a time. Yes, yes, a new sticker. Okay, I'm gonna start with this because super excited about it. It looks like it's foil. Yep, these are nail foils. Okay, I wonder, do they really? No, they don't really match. I was thinking I could do one for St. Patty's Day, but it isn't really St. Patty's Day stuff. So this looks like our foils. And I'm just gonna kind of look at the consistency of them. Is it just the one sheet? Two sheets? Oh, okay, a couple of sheets. Several sheets, like 3 or 4 maybe. Oh my gosh, I don't want to ruin them. 1, 2. Okay, 3 sheets in here. They're all the same. They're this marbly kind of blue-green marble looking. Really pretty, actually. And I'm excited about that. People, I hope you fall in love with their nail foil glue. Let me see if I can get this back in here. Anyway, I won't. I'll probably use it for the tutorial, but I love their formula for the nail glue, although this looks different. Let me show you mine. Do they look they do not look the same, do they? They don't look the same at all. I'm interested. Maybe we'll do a comparison when we do the tutorial. Maybe we'll do a comparison between the two. So anyway, this is the one that came with the kit, so maybe they have a new formula. Very interested to try that. So that is your extra gift this month, and I had no idea about it. It was a complete surprise to me. Let's have a look at what these are called stamping plates. Oh my gosh, like what are the stamping plates? Okay, we have MXM075 and 076. And it is that kind of book theme. Anne of Green Gables, Once Upon a Time, Wuthering Heights. Oh, very sweet, very booky. What is this? Oh, that's a whale. Like Moby Dick or something. Very cool. This looks very Alice in Wonderland-y. I think that is Alice, actually. Very cool. I hope you can see all of those images. Oh, that's definitely Alice in Wonderland, this one. The Raven, maybe? Guy with a book in his face. I mean, the book in his face, that's cool. So that's MXM075. Those are cool. MXM076. We have The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. That's a good one. Phantom of the Opera, Dracula, Romeo and Juliet, Les Miserables. We Are All Fools in Love. Most Ardently, Peter Pan. Mr. and Mrs. Who? Oh my gosh, why don't I ever put my stupid glasses on? Love me, that's all I ask of you. These are really cool. Pride and Prejudice. I really like a lot of these images. They're very cool, and they don't necessarily have to be used with just books, which is kind of cool. Okay, Wizard of Oz, hey. Okay, so it's almost like you got several themes in one, which is really cool. So thanks again, Maniology. Sorry about the glare, guys. I'm trying to get it off of there. But those are some really cool, what are those called? Stamping plates. Now, let's go on to our polishes. I don't remember the polishes at all, honestly. So let's see what we got going on here. We are! Open sesame. And we open, and we open. Pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Again, come on. Maniology, what is going on with your sticker machine? Goodness gracious. Okay. Okay, we have SOnnet and Nightingale. I do not like it when they're not in the middle. Okay, SOnnet and Nightingale, both of these are lovely colors and they go excellently together. I can't wait to stamp them and swatch them. Look at that, two different types. This one's matte and this one's shiny. How very odd and funny. Maniology, I don't know what's going on with your bottle selection, but it's freaking me out, man. It's freaking me out. Okay, let's swatch these bad boys. Okay, I prepped two, these are nail tips, and I never use them, so I thought they would be great for this purpose. Let's start with the Nightingale color. Just a super pretty color. Like a very mauvey deliciousness. Hello, I think I love you. This would have been lovely for Valentine's Day, actually. Okay, and then this luscious SOnnet color. Super excited to I'm exceeded. Oh, it's actually more like a rusty kind of red, which maybe isn't quite what I thought. The colors still look decent together, but not as well as I thought they would, if that makes sense. Let me try to get my green nails out of there. So this is what we have. I don't know if I love it together, actually. I thought I was going to. Does it look that different? Not really. Anyway, they're still, each independently, they're both beautiful colors. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna set this off to the side and we're going to swatch the top of these bad boys. This time I thought we would start with the SOnnet color, and I always use my regular, I use the same image every time. I am gonna use my monocle stamper, so let me get things red-eye. Here's my scraper card. Okay, this color is really, Okay, here we go. Okay, just a super luscious, dark look. Like on here, it just looks dark red. It's not necessarily as it appears, which it's gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. And in fact, I'm probably going to use it when I need a red a lot, because that's a good looking red. That's a good looking red. Isn't that interesting? It just looks different in the bottle, as it does to me anyway, on the nail versus what's on the stamp. Very interesting, very interesting. All right, let me clean up. Okay, I've got my little cotton claw. Take that off of there. I'm also going to use my lint roller and just kind of boop and a boop. I don't have one of my sticky stamper stations out, but I'm really not happy with my lint roller, so I need to get one of my sticky stamper stations out. Oh man, I forgot to clean off the scraper cut. What kind of nonsense is going on here? Okay, here we go. Noop, noop, noop. So pretty, so pretty. So this is the color Nightingale. Get things ready. Boom. Oh, that was not a good scrape. That's okay though, it's just going on top. Oh, wow. Looks pretty good. over white. It's a nice pinky color. Looks just like that, not so much mauve, but more like pink. Maybe I just can't see right. It definitely looks mauve in here. To me, anyway. Am I saying the right color? Am I thinking the right thing? It's got a hint of purple in it, right? Anyway, so up here it looks a little bit more pink, which honestly, I need a good pink for stamping, so this doesn't make my heart angry. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Okay, let me clean this off. I'm going to do one more layer on our, those are called fake nails. They're called tips. Let's do one more layer on here and let her dry to kind of see what happens. Once again, this is our Nightingale color. Really pretty. I'm almost tempted to stamp over them. Maybe when I do the tutorial, I want to try the the foil, but maybe I'll try to stamp one of these colors over the other, just to see. Maybe I'll do 3 nails when I do the tutorial. Okay, super duper pretty. Very happy with both colors. These are both colors that I would use a lot, actually. Okay, let's review everything that came in this month's kit for the March 2022. So that was a really good unboxing, actually. I mean, those were good things. A lot of people were saying that they were skipping several months, but this one, lots of people said, oh, I want it, oh, I want it. So very cool designs going on here. We get our 2 cards, our description of what's inside, and we also get our tutorial card. We get our 2 colors, Nightingale and SOnnet. You also get stamping plates MXM075 and 076. And as an added bonus, I got a sticker that I haven't had yet, so that was fun. And finally, you get your nail foil and some foil glue. I am really excited to try it. Foils are always a little bit tricky for me, but I have used them and I do like them, so I am more excited to try these as well. If you are interested in Maniology and you love their stuff, you might just run over to their store and grab stuff. Maniology.com is where you can go. They have tons of nail supplies and they have really good quality stuff. And their customer service is beyond great. Super beyond awesome, actually. If you want to get 10% off of anything you put in your cart, you can use the code GrooveMama. And that's it for this unboxing. People, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!